Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to do this session with you. It's really a pleasure that you gave me time.
Thank
Okay,
you.
yeah.
And
So the
also,
first, tell me.
no, you are doing a great job. Thank you for having
Arey,
me with you. So, yes.
yeah, definitely. The first thing I really want to ask you is now if you can share your journey, ma'am, when where you were born, brought up, and feel how into this, revenue service, कैसे हुआ, and how things were.
Okay. So the journey is really a very long and completely a roller coaster ride for me.
Yeah,
And
please.
I did my schooling from Agra itself till
Okay.
12th I was there, and then I
Hmm.
got into Galgotia's College of Engineering and Technology through
Acha.
UPTU.
Yeah.
And then after completing my graduation in 2012 in electrical and electronics, I was offered in campus placements with Infosys and Accenture. And then I picked up Accenture. And
Okay.
it was like कि 4 साल बहुत academic हो गया था उससे पहले भी, so I
I'm
wanted a
also an
break.
engineer. I know that.
Okay, so I wanted a break and I wanted to
हाँ.
have that kind of a
Actually,
corporate
I
experience.
once I went to your college means जो गलगोटी आपने बोला ना क्योंकि वो इंटर कॉलेज फेस्ट होते हैं ना.
Yes, yes, yes.
हाँ.
Yeah.
For that once we went there. तो
Okay.
मुझे थोड़ा सा
Okay.
yeah. Please
Okay.
continue.
So, yeah. So, but before that, 2012 May,
Hmm.
when I was, in the
Hmm.
last year of my college, last
Hmm.
semester, we were three of us and we decided to, prepare for civil services. So,
Okay.
we used to go from Greater Noida to Barakamba Road on the weekends, and it was super tiring. And because
हाँ.
it does not get very easy to do coaching also and then do
Yeah.
your semesters also. But
Hmm.
I remember at that point of time, what happened was that the exam for that particular year was on 20th May around, and I had a semester
Okay.
exam on 21st May, and
Okay.
it was it was very difficult to make a
हाँ.
choice. But that time my father insisted that तू जा देख
Hmm.
कर आ एग्जाम एक बार and you just see
हाँ.
for
हाँ.
yourself कि how it is, how it works.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I
हाँ.
went, I gave the exam, and
हाँ.
that was one good thing because I could relate to it, to that exam.
Okay.
So I thought that
Hmm.
nahi, I will try definitely आगे.
Yeah.
So
Hmm. Hmm.
what happened was when I joined Accenture after getting placed. So I
हाँ.
worked with Accenture for around 17 months in Mumbai. And
Yeah.
when
Navi, that one, no, in Aroli or Goregaon.
IT Park, Goregaon.
हाँ, Goregaon, yeah.
Uh, so it was a very, very wonderful, memorable time in Mumbai that I had. But then one fine day, I just decided
हाँ.
to raise the exit because things had started become very monotonous. वो same चीज दोबारा 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 दोबारा.
Oh,
So
there's
I thought,
nothing from your childhood dream, like, no, it came after
no,
that
no,
time.
no. It was in 10th standard when I went to meet
हाँ.
the then DM of Agra for my
अच्छा.
school magazine. So it was an interview that we were
Okay.
taking. So,
Yeah.
the kind of aura that he had
हाँ.
and
हाँ. हाँ.
all that
हाँ.
thing around him, it just
हाँ. हाँ.
made me felt like कि नहीं इसको try करना है, and like I just
Hmm.
want to become an officer. So at
Okay.
that point of time, it was there.
Hmm. Hmm.
So when I got this opportunity, जब मैंने Accenture छोड़ा and then I came back to
Hmm.
Delhi, and
हाँ.
when I came back to Delhi, and I started my preparation in the year 2014.
14. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So
हाँ.
2014 Delhi में पूरा एक साल I did my coachings, I did
हाँ.
everything. There was no
हाँ.
godfather for me. Nobody told me कि कैसे क्या करना है,
Hmm.
कैसे कैसे
हाँ.
एग्जाम देना है, कुछ नहीं.
So
I
there was
just learned
nobody from your family also, no, in this
nothing. My
bureaucracy.
family is completely a business background family.
अच्छा.
So when I did my first, तो वो मेरा first attempt
हाँ.
2012 में हो गया था technically.
हाँ. हाँ.
And
Technically, yeah.
then this one was my second attempt, लेकिन मेरा
Hmm.
फिर भी नहीं हुआ था. I could not clear
Okay.
it. So then I
Okay.
thought that I went back to Agra. I thought that I'll study at home. So I went
Hmm.
back to Agra. एक साल फिर से I studied. एंड उस
हाँ
साल भी मेरा प्रीलिम्स क्लियर नहीं हुआ था. माय प्रीलिम्स वाज नॉट गेटिंग क्लियर्ड. इट बिकेम अ
हम्म,
नाइटमेयर फॉर मी कि मतलब क्लियर ही नहीं हो रहा है. सो आगे कैसे जाऊं. सो
हाँ
दैट वाज वन डिफिकल्ट थिंग. बहुत उस टाइम
हाँ
पर हो गया था. एंड आई वाज गेटिंग मेंटली एंड सोशली ड्रेन्ड. बिकॉज एक
या
होता है ना, एक टाइम पे यू फील दैट everybody is moving in life and you are stagnant. You are
हाँ हाँ
you are not sailing in any boat and you're drowning. So उस time पे it was
या
very difficult for me to just remain in that race. So I and n number of times I used to think, let's give up, let's just go back to the corporate thing. So
या
then, but I had come so far in my preparation journey that I never wanted to leave it also. So
that
what
dedicated.
so what I did was
हाँ
I had floated some pamphlets in Agra that I
okay
wanted to create a IAS study circle so that I could get
अच्छा
some people around myself, and then
हाँ हाँ
there's another sort of motivation that comes through.
yeah.
But I did not get a very like good response or some sort of people, because everybody prepare from a different
This
medium.
was in the year 2014.
2015 end.
Okay, okay. Till then, three
So
years after your
yes,
studies.
yes. So
Okay,
it
okay.
was very very frustrating at times.
Yeah,
But then
yeah.
I found this one girl
Okay.
who came to me, and she said that, ma'am, I want to prepare for exams, competitive exams,
Huh, huh,
especially
huh.
these government exams. So I said,
Hmm,
why
hmm,
not? Okay, you come. So I used to
huh.
teach her 2-3 hours in the morning every day, and
Okay.
in that journey, in that process, I don't know when my preparation got refined, and
Hmm, hmm.
it got refined, and there was another level of confidence in that year 2016. So when
Huh.
I wrote the exam and I got through. So
Clear.
2016, when I cleared prelims, then I cleared mains, then I cleared the interview. So it just happened in one go.
Everything
So
I wanna go.
yes, उससे पहले prelims ही नहीं
Wow.
clear हो रहा था. So it
Huh,
is
huh,
completely like 4 times
huh,
I had. This was my fourth attempt when I
huh.
cleared all through.
Yeah,
So it is a long journey. It was uh, full of pressures, full of
yeah.
frustrations, full of
Huh.
difficulties. But
Hmm.
but I came through it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
when I saw my name in the list in the year
Huh.
2017, when the results
Yeah.
came,
Hmm,
31st
hmm.
May 2017. So it was a dream come true moment, like
Yeah.
it
So
was
what you did, you like
completely.
jumped. Yes, I have done it.
I know somewhere down the line I was a little, honestly, I'm telling you, honestly, I
Okay,
was a
okay.
little disappointed, because I thought I could do better, much better. तो
Okay, okay.
तो उस टाइम पे मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मतलब 287 रैंक था. सो आई थॉट
हाँ.
आई कुड हैव डन मच बेटर. तो उस टाइम पे आई वाज डिसअपॉइंटेड, बट माय फैमिली वाज completely
Very
in
happy.
another zone. They were very happy, and
Yeah.
they were like, if you don't want to celebrate, it's okay, but
Hmm.
we want to celebrate. So that was one thing. And then
Yeah.
finally, everybody was congratulating, everything was happening. So it was just
Hmm.
another world. And then I entered entered this premier institution, that is Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy,
Yeah.
National Academy of Administration. I got an opportunity to have my foundation course there.
A dream
You
place for all the UPSC
That
aspirants.
is a dream place. I mean, I
Yeah.
can't tell you those 3 months experience that I had over there with
Yeah.
different people from different services. It was
Hmm.
it was very it was very memorable and very much fun that I had over there.
Yeah.
So then when I completed that training, then I had my
Huh.
in-service training in
Okay.
Nagpur, that is National Academy of
Huh.
Direct Taxes.
That
So
NASIN, no, ma'am?
no,
NACI.
that is customs. I
Okay. Okay.
National Academy of Direct Taxes is income tax and
अच्छा
direct
अच्छा
revenue.
हाँ.
Yeah, direct taxes.
Hmm. Yeah.
So that's in Nagpur. So
Okay.
we had a 16-month long training there.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
I completed my training. I got my first
Huh.
posting in Agra itself as
Huh.
Assistant Commissioner Income Tax. And
Yeah.
currently, I'm posted as Assistant Director Income Tax with investigation wing of my department. So
Yeah.
it's another completely another different zone and another
Hmm.
different line, and I'm really looking forward to work in it. So
Definitely,
that's it.
we all are looking forward that you're gonna do some amazing work. Uh,
Mm.
जैसे आप बता रहे थे ना मैम, like your story, like you tried for 2 years, 3 years, things didn't work out. Honestly speaking, I don't have zero knowledge about UPSC because I'm not a guy from that field. But I have two, three college friends. They also done engineering with me, and they are trying like preparing for UPSC, and they are very focused to get IFS, like forest service.
Forest
So,
service.
like they did, I think 1 year, two attempt, and they didn't get it. So on that note, I want to ask you something. ऐसे बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है कि एक बार में नहीं होता, 2 बार में नहीं होता, आपके साथ भी हुआ. But what that keeps you going? Like, after a failure, like with the day you came to know that you were rejected, okay, you didn't clear it rather, okay. What kept you going next morning? कि नहीं यार करना है. Like, what kept you going?
See, एक तो क्या होता है कि you have dreamt something for yourself. You have a vision
Yeah.
for yourself. आपने कुछ
Okay.
सोचा है अपने बारे में,
Hmm.
तो आप उसको
Hmm.
इतनी आसानी से how can you let it go? When you have the opportunity, when you have the support of your
Huh.
family, when you have that kind of a belief that people around
Yeah.
you are believing in you and giving a chance to
Huh.
you, तो वो चीज naturally motivate कर देती है. So there were
अच्छा.
so many n number of days, n number there were so there were
Hmm.
n number of days where I thought of giving it up. लेकिन क्या होता
Hmm.
है कि नहीं कर पाते हो क्योंकि आपने सोचा होता है कि नहीं भाई मुझे बनना है. वो एक
हाँ.
पैशन है,
हाँ.
एक होता है कि बस करना है तो करना है. एंड for me myself I always keep myself motivated by having goals for myself, be it short term,
Hmm.
be it long term, and
ओके.
उनको अचीव करना ही करना है, तभी तो बनाए हैं आपने अपने लिए. So
क्या बात.
that is it. So that keeps me motivated. And अभी के लिए जैसे the thing is कि I've just
Hmm.
started my journey as an officer.
Yeah.
So it's just
Hmm.
hardly been 1.5, 2 years in the field.
Yeah.
So these are the years when you make a name for yourself.
हाँ.
So I
हाँ.
just want to make a name for myself. I just want to get recognized as a hardworking and honest officer. So that just
Yeah.
keeps me going. So different phases में आप different goals अपने लिए रखते हो. बस
Hmm. Hmm.
उन्हीं को बस करने के लिए that is what
हाँ.
keeps me going. So
Exactly, exactly. So, ma'am, when you said no, like, that kept me going and I was preparing for it. So, I want to ask you something. एक phase था आपके life में, like, you completed engineering and after 2, 3 years, you were continuously trying for it. And उस टाइम पे ना, like, आपके भी जितने दोस्त होंगे, किसी की या तो नौकरी लग गई, किसी की शादी हो गई, या I mean to say, everybody is getting settled in their life. सो क्या होता है हमारे एक सोसाइटी प्रेशर या रिलेटिव प्रेशर दिया लेगा, अरे क्या क्यों कर रही है ये सब, एक जॉब ले ले, ये है वो. डिड यू एवर फेस दैट? क्योंकि आज आपने एक अचीव कर लिया, सो एवरीबडी विल बी लाइक, ओ आई सल्यूट यू, यू हैव, बट उस
so
टाइम पे
true, so
चीजें
true.
अलग थी.
Yes,
या.
very true. I will completely agree to you on this. Actually,
या.
see, there were times when people start giving you unwanted opinions,
या.
suggestions, criticisms,
या.
and especially for a female or for a girl, it
हम्म.
becomes more because there's an additional pressure that comes around from your surroundings and from the society, and
या.
you are asked to get settled early in life, settle
हाँ.
down
हाँ.
early in life,
हाँ.
or get married, etc., etc.
या.
But
या.
and I was seeing this all around myself also. But
हाँ.
I would say that my parents and my brother were the
या.
biggest support, biggest pillars for me at that point
वाओ.
of time. They had just shut their ears at that point of time. कि जो भी हो रहा है ठीक है, let her just focus.
हम्म.
So they just gave me this opportunity. And
हाँ.
also, I just wanted to be an example for all out there at that in my surroundings, that
या.
you should just stand by your dreams and you should have
हम्म.
that kind of a will to accomplish those dreams. मतलब वो क्या फायदा है कि you dream of becoming something and then you
हाँ.
lose out on it.
या.
So
या.
I just want to put this as a message also, that when you are
या.
dreaming something, when you want to become something, have a will to achieve that thing.
या.
So you should have a faith to do something great in life, to do something extraordinary. So once you have that faith, it will come to you.
uh, exactly.
So
You,
that's a law of
you know,
attraction, you know.
before doing the live today, I was feeling a bit low down. I don't know why. Like कभी होता है मैं दोपहर में सो जाता हूँ ना तो मेरे को low down feel होता है और मैं सो गया था. So, but when I'm like I was a bit worried, how will I be energetic on the session or not? How will I portray the thing able to? But when you started saying this story, I don't know. I just suddenly got motivated,
No,
and
because you are doing a great job. I mean, like there are very few people who inspire others, and
yeah.
who play an important role as a channel for people to do something great. So you are one such
Thank you,
channel,
ma'am.
and yes, you should always feel motivated by that.
Yeah, yeah. No, I always try to feel motivated, but कभी कभार हो जाता है, human psychology that we cannot hide. But there's something I want to ask you, as you said, like, you are now a amazing person as a profession. Now you are a mother, you are a wife of somebody. So how do you balance your personal and professional life?
Actually, balancing is how do I balance is like,
Hmm.
when it comes to my profession, so we usually get our weekends off. We
Hmm.
do not have weekends on. So now
Uh,
that just depends on how much work do you have at that point of time.
yeah.
So usually the weekends are off. So you have that time for your family and your friends and for yourself.
Yeah.
And yeah, so and also when you know
Uh,
that how you can do your work also, and how you can do your
hmm.
how can you give time to your family also, then you make time for them.
Hmm.
So it is difficult, but
Uh,
through the process you
Part
learn
of
to
life.
do that. Yes, it's a part of life, and
Yeah.
also it's your priorities. So जो
Exactly.
जैसे आप करो.
Exactly. So I want to ask you, like, if you can share one of your crazy experience on your professional field.
So, see, there were a lot of cases
Huh,
that I was assessing at my
huh,
point at my time when we had this barring December 31st
huh,
as the date of barring, date of limitation. So there was one particular case where there was a lot of investigation, interesting
yeah,
inquiries. I don't know, the layman will be able will understand it so much, but it's a little technical, so I'll not go into
hmm,
technical details. But there were some XYZ people, they had
hmm,
filed their returns, and then there was an issue came us to in scrutiny. We assessed that, so we gave summons to people to come. Then we found out something very interesting, and
huh,
it was all based on shares and their evaluations. So it was very
huh,
interesting. And
huh,
actually, the so what I can open is that what they had shown as a price of a as price per share was 6,000 something, and
huh,
when the actual evaluation was done, it came out to be 20 rupees. So there was a
huh,
huge difference, and it was a lot of there were a lot of things that were a lot of things that unfolded, and
hmm, hmm,
that is how the case broke, and
huh.
it was a lot of fight to get that case
Uh,
to its end.
Actual.
So yes, so that was one good experience that was there.
So, in your profession, do you all also get that trade calls and all? आपके professions में भी होता है वो सब चीजें?
Not exactly, not really.
Okay.
No.
Not like into, so-called IAS and IPS में जितना pressure होता है.
हाँ, जितना प्रेशर उधर होता है ना.
Okay. So, there's one thing I want to ask you. Why I already came to know about the struggle you did for 3 years for this thing. But I want to ask you, the motto of doing this session is, I personally feel that we all fail in our life. And it's not that you or me or somebody else getting failure, but it's more over how you overcome that failure. If you can share one of your stories.
Um, no. How to like it was
Like how you feel?
that is what
Tell
I
me.
told you. Like, when I was on the prime time when I decided,
Hmm.
like let's just give up and
Hmm.
let's
Hmm.
just
Huh.
uh, like leave it up and just go to the corporate
Yeah.
ones. But still,
Yeah.
you just
Okay.
overcome that kind of thing,
Huh.
your mental state, and you have to
Huh.
make your mind so strong to
Hmm.
overcome that, and to just move forward in
Yeah.
the direction that you planned for yourself. And
Yeah.
also हर एक इनिशियल
Hmm.
स्टार्ट जो है वो मुश्किल ही होता है, चाहे वो प्रेपरेशन का
Exactly.
हो, चाहे वो
Huh.
आपकी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हो. So
Hmm.
there are
Hmm.
initial struggles everywhere because the start is always an unpredictable thing. तो there are a lot of things जो आपको पता नहीं होता आपको करनी
Hmm.
चाहिए, और
Huh.
क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, the do's and the don'ts.
Hmm.
So you learn when you are when you learn from your day-to-day
Hmm.
experiences. You learn through your
Exactly.
own journey. So
Yeah.
the dealing that I have to do with my staff or with the public or with the
Yeah.
bosses. So
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
is all a part of the initial struggle, and a lot of planning, a lot of this thing is
Huh.
required to uh, just let it go. So that is
Exactly.
how it is.
So who is your inspiration? Like, who is your idol rather, whom you follow?
My inspiration, I would say, was a person whom I met in very early stages of my life. I had met late ex Honorable President Dr. APJ Abdul
Number.
Kalam,
Acha.
and
Oh.
yes, and there are some people who leave a mark on
Huh.
you. So he had
Exactly.
left an impact on me. And
Okay.
I still remember those lines when he told us that dream, sweat, persevere, and you will succeed. So these are the
Wow.
lines that come to me every time when I was giving my interview for the civil services, when I was sitting in
Huh.
front of the
Huh.
panel.
Yeah.
These were the only lines that gave me motivation, and that gave me the spirit to
Huh.
just move
Huh.
forward, and you can do it. So
Yeah.
he is one big inspiration in my life till date.
Wow, he is an inspiration for all, I think. I also,
Yes,
get inspired by him.
yes.
So if you can recollect the day, the first day, you got into that office, because आप लोगों की training में आप लोगों को सब कुछ सिखाया जाता है, you all are trained for any situations that come. But that day particularly, sometimes some situations come which you actually not get during the training. So
Hmm.
कैसा रहा the first day in the office? How was it?
My first day in the office was it was very normal. It was very casual. मतलब कुछ ऐसा नहीं था. I
Okay.
was very comfortable. My staff made me very comfortable, and
Huh.
I was having two female immediate bosses,
Okay.
which were very nice to me,
Huh.
and I
Huh.
had a very good experience with the bosses and with my
Huh.
staff. So I remember the day when I sat on the chair on my
Yeah.
chair in the office.
Yeah.
It was 17th July 2019. And
Hmm.
so it
Oh,
was a
you remember
regular
the
day.
exact date?
A lot
Huh.
of files were placed on the table. A pile of files were placed on the table. And I was
Yeah.
clueless because, that is what happens.
Huh.
That's what I told.
Hmm.
Initial start is a struggle. So those
Yeah.
pile of cases, how to segregate those things, how to
Yeah.
organize the
Huh.
things,
Huh.
organize your work so that you can
Huh.
start
Yeah. Yeah.
one by one. So there were
True.
300
True.
cases that I had to assess, and I had
Huh.
to complete by December. So
अरे
it
बाप
was
रे.
an interesting journey. It was
Huh.
a very fun-filling and a very different experience. So
Yeah.
yes, that is it.
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving so much of time. I won't take much of your time. One of the last questions that I want to ask you is
Okay.
a lot of aspirants follow you. They feel like you all are the right person to help them in sort of guiding UPSC. So, what tips you want to give to the youth? क्योंकि बहुत लोग होंगे जो अभी भी ट्राई कर रहे हैं मेंस क्लियर करने के लिए, प्रीलिम्स करने के लिए, कि what you should keep in mind, to just achieve your success.
सबसे पहले तो ये एग्जाम एक ऐसा एग्जाम
हाँ,
है जो कि बहुत अपने
हाँ,
आप में ही बहुत अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है। इसकी हर एक स्टेज
yeah,
ऐसी है दैट यू हैव टू कीप योर सेल्फ अप। आई मीन लाइक
हाँ,
यू, इफ यू जस्ट लूज योर सेल्फ, you are gone in the
हाँ,
game. So
yeah,
what I want to just put it out as a message is that you are always braver than you believe. You are
हाँ,
always stronger than you seem, and you are always smarter than you think. So
yes,
there is a very there is a time that your
हाँ,
day will also come, your moment will also come, and
हाँ,
your time will also come, and time has its own way of unfurling things. So you just have
okay,
to wait for your day and for your moment while you keep doing
exactly,
things. So, and Almighty has greater plans for everybody, and everything that is
true,
happening is rotating around
हाँ,
that plan. So just believe in
हाँ,
that. You should just
yeah,
be ambitious, just stand by your dream, and you should never
हाँ,
settle for less. So when you do not have to settle for less, you do not have to give up. So
हाँ,
that is the message that I want to share with everyone. So
yeah, yeah,
yeah, keep working
definitely. Thank
hard.
you. Hmm.
Yes.
Uh, so definitely, ma'am, it really helped me. I think those who are gonna watch it and those who are watching it, this will help you. And if you please have any sort of queries, you can DM me on Insta. I will put forward it to ma'am so that you can get the right
Sure,
path of it.
anytime, anytime. Yes.
Yeah, definitely. And seriously, ma'am, Dil se thank you once more that you
Thank
gave
you
me
for
this
having
opportunity.
me. Thank you for having me also. Yes.
Yeah,
All the best. God bless you. And
yeah.
may you have a wonderful life ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.